guys, JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Khago with a song called Sideman Have Feelings. This is actually a video. Sideman Have Feelings. Yeah? Sideman have feelings. Yeah, some of them have feelings. Because side girl have feelings too. Them getting them feelings. Yes. So it's only right for the man I'm getting them feelings too. Alright? So yeah. I could jump to that one and hear with the GSA. Let's go.
There's something about that one, you know. We make you do it, babe. Girl, make you do it.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful Empress.
Just feel yours and I like a yo, she use me.
You said she use me, G?
Dealer, girl. Girl, you make me don't sleep ever since last week. Yeah, girl, you give me one time and no answer your phone. Me say, girl, make you tweet.
So she give one time with G and not answer the phone again. That's because she have her man. She probably the one with her man and she can't answer her phone. So you have to just take it. You just don't say, yo, it's a one piece I get. Just take it and cut with it. You see it. Can't to get in your feelings because she probably don't make you know, say, yo, is a side man already, but you don't know, so you can't help who you fall for. You can't, you know, there's could be just one, that's one little thing where make you fall for her and it's a cause of you have sleepless nights. That's a go on with G.
Girl, you give me one time and no answer your phone. Me say, girl, make you tweet. I've been calling you daily. One like you not hear me.
So you call her daily and she go like, you know, you're looking she not block you. You're looking she not block you. Just go and wait, man. She will forward her own. She will forward her own. Cause if you are not blocked, that means there's still a next chance to get a second runner, you know. So you have to just go and give her a little time, you know. Cause she probably think about you too, you know, but she probably can't move. She probably can't make no call because you don't know. As a side man, you have to just know, say, yo, you have to just depend on the side car. You don't know, say you have a main course and you have the little piece of salad on the side. So you have to just be the salad on the side. You see me? You like a mixed veg or you like a macaroni and cheese on the side or the main dish. You don't know. So you have to just go and easy and just wait until your turn, you know? Yeah.
One like you not hear me. Yeah. Side man I feel and stuff. Side man I feel and stuff. Side man I feel and stuff. Long time in a bus my gun sick of yo. Side man I feel and stuff. Side man I feel and stuff. Side man I feel and stuff.
So my boy the main man, I forgot his name. Is that a dancer to Pirate Kingdom? I forgot his name. I forgot how you tell name, man. And the energy. Energy? I think energy that you know. Yeah. So energy. The main man Khago. Yes, they have feelings too. Of course we have feelings. You talk about we. I'm not a side man. What the fuck? You talk about we like say me a side man. Well, if me a side man, I don't know still, so yeah. 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 You know the one there? Yeah, if you're a side man, you don't know. You don't want one either. Just go on. Just continue playing your role, my G.
Side man I feel and stuff. Side man I feel and stuff. Long time in the bus, my consent, yo. Yeah, girl, you put me pants away.
Long time in a bus, my gun say, yo. So, you must say a long time, it no release no oil out and back. A long time, the oil cake up in the back like kangaroo fat. So, a long, kangaroo wax, so a long time, him no bus him gun because him a wait on you. As so, him have you in a theme head as the main chicken, but you have him as the side man. But him can't get that around him head to know, say, yo, he's a side man. So, just go and play your role, my G.
Side man I feel and stuff. Long time in the bus, my consent, yo. Yeah, girl, you put me pants away side watch. It's like you want me drive and crash. Girl, my friend me just tell me no know outfit. Girl, you gone and me want it, but
yo, Khago feel one I know. I wish girl they say DJ. I wish girl, oh yeah, I don't get that move, sir. I girl know herself. Fall back into place. Give the man a second chance. You saying? And that the man at about Zane. Yeah.
Side man a feeling stuff. Long time in a bus my consent yo. Yeah, girl, you put me pants so when side watch. It's like you want me drive and crash.
The boss say mad out. He mad out. Mad out and they on suicide watch. Whether girl want him to do, you know, say no fit for the on the road that drive the in them condition now. Where you want me to drive and crash? Mad out. Yeah.
Yeah, girl, you put me pants so when side watch. It's like you want me drive and crash. Girl, my friend me just tell me no know outfit. And girl, you gone and me want it, but I've been calling you daily. Well, like you know, baby. Me see you read me want some text, but side man I'm feeling stuff.
What she get, dog? A blue tick? That's how when I wrote this thing, anybody can get to somebody, you know. A blue tick. Imagine you text a girl now, as a man. Or even as a woman, you text your man. Or text a man. The man read it. Give you a blue tick. Couple hours run off, you see him online, all post status and them thing there. Blue tick still there. No reply. Hurt. Hurt. My choice. My choice. Yeah, that's hurtful.
I've been calling you daily. Well, like you know, baby. Me see you read me want some text, but side man I'm feeling stuff. Side man I'm feeling stuff. Side man I'm feeling stuff. Long time I no bust my gun say yeah. Side man I'm feeling stuff. Side man I'm feeling stuff. Side man I'm feeling stuff. Long time in a bust my gun say you. Yeah, baby love, yeah. You know say this a true love. Fly away like a bubble dog.
True love to who though? Cause she have her man already. And if you take her away from her husband or from the main man, one day next side man I gotta be into play. Cause you are gonna then be the main man. And then next side man I gotta forward along. Is it love or is it lost? You're lost. You're lost off of the tuntun where you get last night. You're lost off of the kitty, the mergy, the pum pum, the punani, the meow. You're lost off of it. Not love, bro. Not love, dog. No, sir.
You know, say this a true love.
True love.
Fly away like a bubble dog. You're gone with the brain love. Yeah. You know, some man a real talk. Yeah. You never ever say goodbye. I never get to witness a cry. You're gone from last year July. But you. Pose up on the gram with them. Yeah. And I like me grudge him.
Khago says she pose up on the gram with him and I like him grudge. If you feel a way, just call him and I say, yo, hey, dog, you don't say, yo, Nicky there. Yo, big up all the Nicky in the comment section, but I know you may attack still. That's a username because it was either Nicky or Kerry. Yo, when Nicky the man say, yo, how this? Man say, oh, I'm tear dog with Nicky the brother. Yo, I love with Nicky dog. Nicky give me beside tuntun. When Nicky do what? Nicky give me beside tuntun. You know, just listen to me, brother, man. Yo, let me talk to my brother. Tell her check out WhatsApp, dog. You see it? Yeah, how this? Don't worry about who this man. She know who this man. Tell her check her WhatsApp. Is it? Yeah, dog. Yeah. Full of heart full of love for Nicky. Is it? Yeah, man. Nicky. Nicky, you not answer your back phone. This man call you. You depend. That if hey, Khago, big up yourself, yeah. Side man of feelings too. Side man of feelings. Khago, me have melody in already. Yeah, me have melody, Michi. Yo, keep on putting out the work, bro. Keep on putting out the work. Don't stop. No time for slowing down. You see me? No time for slowing down. Creative again. Big up all the side man them out there. Big up all the side girl them too. We stress out, mad out. You know, Valentine's Day come. All them get is a love heart pan emoji. You know? Yeah, birthday come. Them know say, yo, a quick 2-hour thing. Me can spend with the card. You don't know me. I have to go back home to the woman. You don't know. Big up on yourself. Big up all the side girl to where we have the wife role too. Yeah. Because some of the side girl have the wife role. Side man them, big up on yourself. But I get them, I deal it. You know? Yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to leave down. If you enjoyed it, whatever, have some more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you are new, and I will see you in the next one. For sure, for sure. Peace out.